Pasta, a timeless favorite, enjoyed across cultures and generations. But have you ever wondered how it transforms from simple grains of wheat into the perfect spaghetti, fusilli, or penne that we all love? Today, we take you behind the scenes to witness the incredible journey of pasta production. It all begins with the careful selection of the finest durum wheat, the heart of premium pasta. Golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see, where wheat is harvested at peak maturity and transported to milling facilities. Here, through an advanced grinding process, the wheat is transformed into semolina, the key ingredient responsible for pasta's signature texture and rich flavor. This semolina, rich in proteins and nutrients, is then stored in temperature-controlled silos, waiting for its transformation. The process moves to the heart of pasta making, raw material handling and dough preparation. Inside high-precision dosing and mixing machines, the semolina is carefully measured and blended with purified water in controlled quantities. The mixture then enters the vacuum kneading machine, which eliminates air pockets and ensures a smooth, uniform dough. This crucial step enhances the pasta's structure, allowing it to retain its shape and texture during cooking. With the dough perfectly kneaded, it's time for the artistry of pasta making, extrusion and forming. Using high-precision extrusion and die molding technology, the dough is carefully pressed through bronze or Teflon dies, shaping it into different pasta varieties. Each mold creates a unique pasta shape, from penne and fusilli to spaghetti and fettuccine. The cutting system ensures that short pasta is precisely trimmed, while long pasta is gently guided to maintain its perfect form. Once shaped, the pasta enters the most delicate phase, pre-drying and main drying. Moisture must be gradually reduced to ensure optimal texture, longevity, and cooking performance. First, the pasta passes through a pre-dryer, where surface moisture is removed. Then, it moves into the main drying chamber, a controlled environment where temperature and humidity are adjusted to achieve the perfect drying curve. Too fast, and the pasta may crack. Too slow, and it risks spoilage. This stage is critical in preserving quality and extending shelf life. After drying, the pasta undergoes cooling and stabilization. Inside the cooling conveyor, the temperature is gradually reduced to prevent internal stress and breakage. It is then transferred to the resting area, where it stabilizes before packaging. This ensures uniform consistency and a flawless final product. With quality stabilized, the pasta is ready for final inspection and packaging. The weighing and filling machine ensures precise portioning into bags or boxes. Then, the sealing and labeling machine secures the packaging, protecting the pasta from external contaminants while maintaining freshness. The final step is storage and palletizing, where the pasta is carefully stacked and prepared for distribution worldwide. And so, the journey of pasta comes full circle. From golden wheat fields to a meticulously controlled production process, every step is designed to deliver a product that is rich in tradition, yet perfected by technology. Whether it's a warm plate of spaghetti, a hearty penne dish, or a delicate fettuccine creation, pasta is more than just food. It's an experience, a story, a craft. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at pasta production, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite pasta dish, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing food industry insights.